Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan RT. This is a 5-passenger minivan in gray, and under the hood you'll find the 3.6 liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this Dodge Grand Caravan includes your automatic power sliding doors, a power liftgate, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our power liftgate button and power sliding door buttons on the bottom here, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. Just to quickly show you on the side view mirror, you do have heated mirrors with this Dodge Grand Caravan. And on top, you have your power locks, windows, and power adjustable side mirrors. On the bottom, we have some storage space. This Caravan is equipped with black leather seating, and we have power seating adjustment buttons on the bottom here. We got our key fob here. We're going to start it up and take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you'll find these arrows, and this will help you cycle through your multi-information display. And while we are up here, just to show you in the odometer that this Dodge does have 115,494 kilometers on it. On the left side, you'll also find your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, and if we press media, you also have choices like auxiliary, CD, and you can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. In the top right corner, we can press this nav button, and you can set your destination through this navigation map here. If we go into reverse, you get a backup camera as well. Down below is your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. In here, you'll also find your heated steering wheel, driver and passenger heated seats. Moving down, you have your eco mode. There's some storage space on the bottom here. We can close that up, and you also do have a Blu-ray player in this Dodge Grand Caravan, and we have some cup holders. We can open up this little center console that slides open, providing you plenty of space. Like I mentioned, this Grand Caravan does have a power sliding door, so all we got to do is press and hold that button on our key fob, and that door will slide open for us. And if we take a look inside, you can see you have the second row seating that has been removed, and that is because once you lay those third row seats down, you have the entire back for storage space. So if you have a small business or just carry a lot of items in general, this Grand Caravan provides you with that space if you ever need it. So to open up the back, we have a power liftgate, and to do so, all we got to do is press and hold that button on our key fob once again, and that'll open for us. Taking a look inside, like I mentioned, this is a cargo van, but you still have the third row seating in case you ever need to transport some passengers. And even with the third row seating up, you have plenty of space behind the seats. We can fold these seats down by pressing or pulling on this tab here. The top half folds in, and then we pull this one, and those fold in like so. And if we do the same on the other side, now you have your cargo space ready for the job. Taking a last look at our Dodge Grand Caravan, once again, some of those great interior features includes your heated seats as well as your heated steering wheel, navigation, and with the rear second row seats removed, this Dodge Grand Caravan provides you plenty of cargo space. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here to Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.